Welcome students, we are still on indices. Today we are going to do 2014 Wassce Private Theory question 1B, and this is the question. Solve the simultaneous equation. We have 5x minus 4y equal to 6 and 3 exponent 3 bracket of y minus x all equal 1 over 27. So let's see how we solve this simultaneous equation. Don't forget, one of the equation is in an indices form. So we have the first equation to be 5x minus 4y equal to 6. Let's call this one equation 1. Then we have 3 exponent by 3 in the bracket of y minus x and all equal 1 over 27. And 1 over 27 can be written as 3 exponent by 3. So we have it to be 3 exponent 3y minus 3x all equal 1 over 3 exponent 3. So this one can be written as 3 exponent 3y minus 3x all equal. This one can be written as 3 exponent negative 3. Because the base are the same, we have the base here to be 3 and the base here to be 3. We equate the exponent. So we have it to be 3y minus 3x equal to negative 3. So the coefficient of all of them is 3, 3, 3. Let's divide through, reduce this one to the simplest form by dividing through by 3. Here by 3, here by 3, here by 3. So this 3 will cancel this 3, this 3 will cancel this 3, and this 3 will cancel this 3. And we got it to be y minus x equal to negative 1. So therefore, we have it to be negative x plus y equal to negative 1. So let's call this one equation 2. So now, let's bring the equation 1 and equation 2 here. And the equation 1, we have it to be 5x minus 4y equal to 6. This was the equation 1. And the equation 2 is negative x plus y equal to negative 1. We call this one equation 2. Let's use the substitution method by making y the subject at equation 2. So at equation 2, y will be equal to x minus 1. Because when you make y the subject, then it's going to be x minus 1. So we put y, which you call x minus 1, into equation 1. We are going to put them in equation 1. So we got it to be, we got the expression to be 5x minus 4. So instead of y, we write the x minus 1 there, which you call 6. So let's expand. We have 5x minus 4x plus 4, and it's equal to 6. And it's equal to 6. So 5x minus 4x will give us x, then plus 4, and it's equal to 6. So we have x to be equal to 6 minus 4. So x will give us 2. X will give us 2. So now, we are going to put x, which you call 2, into y is equal to x minus 1. So we have it to be y equal 2 minus 1. Then we got y to be 1. So therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. We got x to be equal to 2 and y to be equal to 1. So that is how we solve the simultaneous equation, by first reducing the indices form into linear format. Welcome back. We are still on indices. Today we are moving on to 2014 Wassce June objective question number 35. And it says that we should simplify square root of 8 exponent 2 times 4 exponent n plus 1. Then all over 2 exponent 2n times 16. So simplification simple means we are reducing it to the simplest form. Okay, so we have our solution. We have square roots 8 squared times 4 exponent n plus 1 all over 2 exponent 2n times 16. Okay, so with this one we can write it whereby by removing the square root, the whole of the expression will have an exponent of half from so we have it to be, and 8 can be written as 2 exponent 3, so we have it to be 2 exponent 3, then times the 2 we have already there here, then times, and 4 can be written as 2 exponent 2, then times n plus 1, we have it there, all over, then 2 here, 2 exponent 2n times, and 16 can be written as 2 exponent 4, then all this one exponent by half, all this one exponent by half. Okay, let's come here. Then when you look at it, 2 exponent 3, when you look at it, 2 exponent 3 times 2, the exponents will multiply themselves, so we have it to be 2 exponent 6, then times here we will expand this one whereby the 2 will multiply the n and the 2 will multiply the 1, so we have it to be 2 exponent 2n plus 2 all over, then here because the base are the same, we are going to add the exponent because there is a multiplication sign here, so we have it to be 2 exponent 2n plus 4, 2n plus 4, and we have all this one exponent by half. So as we did for the denominator whereby the base were the same, we add the exponent, the same thing applies to this one. So here the base are the same, so we are going to add the exponent, so we have it to be 2 exponent 6 plus 2n plus 2 all over 2 exponent 2n plus 4, and we have this one all over half, so this one will give us, so here 6 plus 2 will give us 8, so we have the numerator to be 2 exponent 8 plus 2n all over 2 exponent 2n plus 4, then you have this one all over 2. Okay, so with this one because the base are the same and the whole of this is a numerator and this one is a denominator and the base are the same, we subtract the exponent of this one because this one can also be written as 2 exponent 8 plus 2n divided by 2 exponent 2n plus 4, and the whole of this exponent by the half we have there. So with this one, because the bases are the same, we subtract the exponent of this from this, so we have it to be 2 exponent 8 plus 2n minus 2n plus 4, and the whole of this exponent by half, so we have it to be 2, so we have it to be 8 minus 4, then plus 2n minus 2n, and all of these exponent by half, so we have it to be 2, 8 minus 4 will give us 4, then plus 2n minus 2n will be off, so all this one exponent by half, then we have it to be 2 exponent 4 times 1 over 2, and here because they are multiplied, the 2 will cancel itself, it will go here 2, so we have it to be 2 exponent 2, and our answer is going to be 4. Our answer is going to be 4. Good day, students. Once again, we are still on the Indices. Today we are going to do 2014 Wassce Private Objective question number 44. And there is the question. The question says that if 5 exponent x equal to n, expressed 25 exponent x plus 1 in terms of n. So this means that we want to express this one in terms of this by working from this towards this. If 5 exponents x will give us 25 exponent x plus 1, what would n be? That is what it means. So solution, we have 5 exponent x equal to n, and we are working towards to get something like this, 25 exponent x plus 1. We want the left side to be equal to this side to be equal to this. So if the left side will be equal to this, what will be the right side? That is what we are going to do. So first of all, let's multiply and now let's square both sides. Let's square both sides because we know, because we are working towards 25 exponent x plus 1, and 5 square will give us 25. So if we have 5 exponent x, then you square everything, then here too you square it. So we have it to be 5 exponent 2x. So we maintain this one. We have here to be square. So 5 square will give us what? 25, or square equal to n square. Equal to n square. But here we have it to be 25x exponent x plus 1. So we are working towards that answer. We are working towards that one. So we have it to be, what are we going to do so that we get it in terms of plus 1 at the numerator? Let's multiply through. So let's multiply through by 25. So we have it to be 25 times the main one, 25 exponent x equal to 25 times n square. So 25 times 25 exponent x, because the bases are the same, we add the exponent, and this one is having an exponent of 1. 25 is having an exponent of 1. So we have it to be 25 exponent x plus 1, and here is going to be 25 n square. 25 n square. So in short, when 5 exponent x is equal to n, then 25 exponent x plus 1 will also be equal to 25 n square. And that is the meaning of the question. When they give it to you, you express it in terms of what has been given to you, then you write it in that format. Bye, student.